Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be watching the glimpse of Kamal Hassan X Rajnikant reunion. This has to be, I don't know, one of the biggest announcements, movie announcements in Tamil cinema. Tell me in the comments. But I am really stoked. This movie is going to be directed by Nelson. Music has been given by Anirudh. It's a almost like a 4 minute video. And I love when Nelson does these little skits when he announces his movies. It's always very wacky and it's quite funny. I don't know if we will see what kind of theme this movie might carry. Let's see. I don't know anything. Let's watch this video right away. Okay.
இந்த ரூமுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போறது புதுவிதமான கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கு. இந்த ரூமுக்கா
Anirudh.
ரெண்டுல ஏதாவது தொடுங்க.
என்ன தல
சண்முக பிரியாவா கோகில பிரியாவா?
ஹீரோயினா
ராகஞ்சி. சரி கரகர பிரியால போயிடும்.
போய் சொல்றேன்.
தொண்டை வரவு மாதிரி.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச என்னையே இப்படி ஏமாத்திரியப்பா. பாவம் அதர்ஸ். பட் இந்த 2 finger டெக்னிக் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. நம்மளே இதையே ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். இந்த ரூமுக்கே போலாம்.
Are those two posters behind clues?
சூப்பர் சார். ரஜினி சாரும் இதான் செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. குச்சாய் சார், கமல் சாருக்கு அது ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்தது.
இருக்கட்டும். இது சார் எடுத்திருக்காரா இல்லையா?
இல்ல சார், இது சார் எடுக்கல.
இது
அது ஆல்ரெடி சார் எடுத்து கட்டிட்டார் சார்.
The other one. Nelson's expressions. All right. Let's go. Wow. Isn't that like the most expensive shot ever? Oh, retro vibes. This would be one of the songs. Okay. The whole video is them walking towards the car. Like if this doesn't create havoc in the box office, I don't know what is gonna do it. Yes. Obviously they will not have a name for the movie yet. Let's see how Nelson pulls this off. Okay.
சார் ஒரு பீத்தோனோ ஒரு பப்பிலகிரியோ
பப்பி
மிக்ஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி ஒரு தீம் மியூசிக் ரெடியா
Okay. That'll be the theme. I thought this was the theme music.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒண்ணு கேட்கணும். யாரு ஹீரோ? கேக்குறாங்க இல்ல, சொல்லுங்க ஜி. யாரு ஹீரோ?
Commencing soon. I'll start the shooting soon. All right. It's a long way to go because they'll have to start the shoot soon and everything. But I'm glad they announced this. Like I said, if this doesn't create box office havoc, then I don't know what will. But I always feel then at the end of the day, it definitely is the story, because even like such a big movie like Coolie also got like mixed responses, right? It didn't do as well as everybody had predicted it, right? But here it seems, with Nelson's humor and all of that, it seems that there's going to be, like, it's not an out and out action, but probably it seems like a buddy movie, right? Maybe they are on a mission to solve something, it could be a buddy cop film also, but these are just speculations. I am just happy to see this announcement, and it has a little bit of retro-ish vibe, so maybe it'll be set in a different period. That's all the guesswork I can make, that's it. But I liked this video, like how Nelson was kind of saying that, okay, yeah, Kamal sir has chosen this is a good choice. So they are not choosing the accessories or the outfits that the other one is. That could be an extension of their personalities in the movie also, that both of them are extremely distinct personalities. One could be like the funny one could be like a serious one could be like the sarcastic one, but together when they join forces, it's a very different kind of synergy. It could be that as well. Even the music that Anirudh used is very upbeat, so it doesn't feel like a serious toned film to me, and it actually much more feels like a light-hearted kind of comedy, maybe a little bit of action kind of film. Another thing which I really liked in this glimpse is that they have shown that subtle rivalry, because obviously there is still, I feel, like a huge fan base divide of, say, Rajni sir's fan base and Kamal Hassan's fan base, who were always like probably clashing, and fan wars have been created in the past. But this is a very funny way of putting it in a way, because it's like, and in the end also they're like, okay, all that, we'll listen to the music and all of that, but who's the hero? You first tell me, who's the hero? So I think that was a cute and nice and funny way to put it, very subtly, in terms of the quote-unquote rivalry, or the fan wars that happen between these two actors, right? At least that's how I took it. If there is another meaning to it, please let me know. But I feel that overall, this is like a win and celebratory time for Tamil cinema in a way, because I think they are reuniting after more than 4 decades. And that's a big thing, right? In the film industry scape, that's a very, very big thing. It's a big deal. So yes, one of the biggest questions that will be lingering in everybody's mind is that how is Nelson going to pull it off? Because a lot of these big budget, big star films that specifically from Tamil cinema that we have been anticipating that, okay, this will be great, yeah, this will be great, this director-actor combo is gonna do wonders. It has not done that well, right? So maybe the audience also has become a little bit more skeptical that we will wait till the film releases. We're not gonna get overexcited and stuff like that. But I feel that, I mean, the shooting will commence soon, but I feel just from this glimpse, all of us, in the cinephile community, definitely this is something to cheer about. Definitely this is something to get excited about. And definitely it is something to put our trust as audience on Nelson, that he's going to pull off something hatke, something very different and wacky. I would want this film to be wacky. That's what I would want. I don't want them to do now the typical mass action and stuff like that. See, those mass scenes and fan service scenes are going to be there. Are definitely going to be there. But looking at this glimpse, my hope is that it's something different and wacky and funny. That's what I want, at least. But I definitely want to know what are your thoughts. But I overall enjoyed this glimpse. This was fun. And you guys let me know, what did you think when you watched this the first time. And I'm going to sign off now. Those were my thoughts. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.